Welcome back to another tutorial about Instagram security. If you really want to protect your Instagram account from being hacked, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see important settings you need to enable right now in order to protect your account from being hacked. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to secure your Instagram account from hacker. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram app. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your handle. The next thing you need to do is to click on go to account center. The next thing you need to do is to click on password and security. The next thing you need to do is to click on where you are logged in. The next thing you need to do is to click on set up alerts. The next thing you need to do is to select your Instagram handle again. And the next thing you need to do is to, first thing for, make sure you add your email address right here. After you have successfully add your email address, enable this particular box, checkbox. So simply click on that. And with that, nobody will be able to hack your Instagram account because this is one of the maximum security you can give to your Instagram account. If anybody wants to have access to your account, Instagram is going to notify you via the email and the app. So with that, you can simply decline the account from getting or taking over your Instagram account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to protect your Instagram account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.